told you, done is better than perfect. You don't have to look for perfection at times if you think within that time you cannot produce high quality work, but at least try to do it so that you get the concept. Okay, now you can see after the picture activity, now we are going to talk about the importance of those social tradition. Now please, like we told, like we'll be trying to follow this format. Okay, engage, explore, explain, extend, and evaluate. We are following these steps. Is that clear? So with that stepwise in this explore, now you're going to find about the importance of social traditions. Now since you have already made a picture by reading that, I think you've already understood some of the importance there now while reading also. And then finally it will be explained by me afterwards, okay, in the explain stage. So a teacher's explanation will be more or less at the last, not at first, in this format that we are using. Okay, so please find out about the importance of the topic that you are given right now. Just read that and find out the importance. Just read that and find out the importance and underline it. Exactly, just underline it. And then I will just send you to breakout rooms just for 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Okay, each activity breakout room just 5 minutes just to compile them, not 40 minutes. It's just 5 minutes. If you are not able to go to the breakout room because of technical problem only, then do not go. If you think technical difficulties can come, and I think it doesn't require me to open them. Okay, now in your group, compile what you have underlined and see. I'll give you 3 minutes to 3 minutes to compile them in your groups, and somebody just tells the importance of that. Okay, like what?
So I have to leave this main room to join the breakout room.
Okay, but if you are there, it's fine. And you know, when I join into, like, automatic attendance comes in mind. More or less, I can see from outside also, like who are in the room. You also can see that. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. It's 11 o'clock right now. Exactly at 11:05, 11:04 you will come back, and 11:05 we will start the presentation. Exactly start 11:05. Okay? You should not be late, because we are really lagging in time management. Teacher plans of 10-minute activity that goes for whole period at times. And please discuss why you give, like why you think, what you think about that importance as well. And within the group itself you can pair up and speak, but we cannot make further pairing rather than 5 group of like 4 or 5, because it will create too many breakout rooms. So within the group itself you can start sharing your importance, and please be always taking notes if there is anything important, right? Anything important. and tell your perspective why you think that could be the importance of that uh, organization. Discuss with each other, and afterwards you will share in the room everything, so that others also clearly understand. First you be clear, and then you explain to the whole group in the common room, so that everyone is clear afterwards. So we're starting small topic for you. It's a small topic. Two minutes left.
But no one is joining a group these breakouts.
See, this is what happens. Like,
Edina, you're not there in group B.
even if all the members are not there, at least some of you can share it. Okay, those who are there, start sharing it, and later on in the common room. Because before we share in the common room, I want you to discuss with each other and then share ideas among each other, so it becomes more and more clear to you. And when you present here, it becomes more easier. No, you can see what is in the book directly. You don't have to research in the internet every time. I could just give you a worksheet even, just to like another content, another text to also just read out, and same thing just to explain. You don't have to be researching in the internet. All activities doesn't mean to research in the internet. Okay, same thing in the book. Just try to understand that. Later, you will be given another activity to write a dialogue slowly, skit itself. So you have to see from now itself. Okay, now let us come back to the main room. If anyone is using mobile and they are not able to do the multitasking because of mobile or iPad or anything, please tell them to come to the main room. Okay, because if not, they will miss the class. They will not. It will be difficult for them. So I think we have very few people in that condition. If most of them were in the same condition, we had to stop this breakout rooms. Okay, only few of them will have a problem. That's why I think we can continue for now. Okay, now since you have already said in your group, I want you to share in the common room also. Okay, because I want to hear, and I want everyone to also hear now. Okay, now group A, you have 1 minute to explain what you did in your group.
Guthrie, it is a social organization which maintains order in the Newar society. It has been practiced from Lichavi period. Guthrie plays an important role in preserving the culture, building and renovating the religious places, conducting funerals, etc. Guthrie has played an important role in maintaining harmony in Newar society. Uh, the Guthrie system is a trust whereby land is donated to this trust. Uh, the popular Guthrie in Newari community are Diwali, Guthrie, Sana Guthrie, Si Guthrie, etc.
Okay, thank you so much. All of you, please turn your camera on and look at the screen, so that please listen now. Okay, stop whatever you have done. So like when your friend is presenting, listen to them. Okay, because main thing is it's for every one of us to understand. So that was about Guthrie. So can you see the book itself? If not, I will be explaining afterwards also. Okay, now let's go to next topic. Group B, can you present about your topic, that is VESA?
So like VESA is a organization that helps like Mogul people. It is mainly organization of Mogul people that helps people to gain social objectives and stuff like that. And like they choose a mukhya, and then like inside the organization they perform like many religious festivals and like rituals that happen in our community. And they also do like social works and like economic activities that help the society. And it is a like traditional activity that is done in the Mughal community.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Edina. Now, group C for Bhatkar, relating to group C.
Yes, sir. Bhatkar is a tradition which is followed in Thadu community from a long time. Bhatkar is a possession of a village leader who leads his or her village. They judge and discuss about things going on in the village with their villagers. Their role is just like a chairman, judge, and administrator in the village. They are responsible for maintaining the unity of the community, organizing the rituals, and relating to deaths and births, and also controlling and conducting the social rules. Every year on the month of March, the community appoints the Bhatkar. I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry.
Okay, so more or less the importance are based on whatever is there in the book. Also, that's fine. That's, we just want to at least understand minimum what is in the book first, and then we can proceed further. Okay, not directly going so much in research. Okay, so that was about Bhatkar. So you can see that is also an organization for the Tharu community. So at the end, let's see what are the common things. Okay, now next group, because all the topics are important, that's why I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay, group D.
Yes, sir. So we are gonna talk about Rodigar. It is a traditional tradition in Burun community. It is mostly according like after reading the text, it is mostly done in the villages where there's some Rodigar area. It's like a town hall where people gather every evening as a practice. They dance and sing the whole evening over there, as well as plan for the next day and do different plannings in the evening for the next day and the coming week.
Importance of Rodivar. It is a form of entertainment. It is a part of their rituals. It brings people closer together. It is also a daily routine practice for them.
Okay. So this was about Rodigar's importance. Here's a told even what is a Rodigar plus importance was told by Janice. Okay, now next after this, group E. Group E, Janvi, Darsana, who are there? Okay, Janvi and Darsana, are you there? Janvi, Darsana, and then just wait.
Oh yes, sir. I can.
That's what I told.
So the
Okay, yeah, please continue because we need to work on time management.
the Thakalis are Himalayan Mongoloids whose mother tongue is of the Tibeto-Burman family. It is called Thakali and belongs to Tamang group, including Tamang-Gurung and Magadhi. Koti excels in terms of broad appeal and proper participation, low transaction costs, effective social controls resulting in low rates.
Okay, that was an introduction about Thakali. Now, what about the Dikuti there, or the organization that they have?
Equity is taken as an illegal act.
Okay,
Uh, Police have been receiving a flood of complaints against Mama, floods of complaints against fraudulent game equity, with victims claiming huge loss of money of late. The illegal business has been the source of numerous crimes, including cases of pirate suicide and illegal money laundering in the capital.
okay. So our mainly focus was to know about the organization than the caste for now. Okay, in this lesson, our main objective is to know about the organization that the caste those because it originated from that caste. That's why we're just trying to know that. But our main purpose is to know how that organization works, how that traditional organization works. So these are all the traditional organizations in the past. Okay, so all these indigenous traditional organization that we have here, there are several other also, like they might be making several indigenous, like just a group to have a water, like let's say they just to collect water also they might form a group, to use the forest also they'll be making group. Those are all different organizations that used to take place in the past. Okay, so same way these are based on origin is based on caste. So some from Newar, you can see some from Magar, some from you can see Gurung, some from Tharu, some from Thakali. These are the common ones that were famous. Okay, now, so this was an activity just for you to see and read that, just so that you would understand what does that mean. Now, in our next activity, so please be listening. Okay, you are going to listen to everyone because all the topics are equally important to us. Only the thing is we are just dividing the work so that at least if you understand one, others also will be easier for us. So here now, after this activity, now you we have one activity. This is also of a very short duration. So in this you'll tell the social, like you'll have to think. Okay, the social traditional organization that you have is a good tradition or bad tradition. Why do you think so? The one which you had right now, is that the one good, he is that a good or bad? Just think from perspective of your topic. Is that clear? Of your group now, and start sharing among the group and then in the main room. First think yourself for 2 minutes, and 2 minutes share it in the group, and after that share in the common room. Think, raise, share. Okay, so why do you think, is that a good
Sir,
tradition? Yes.
about our topics like Guthi,
Yes,
Barker,
same.
and
Yes,
Deepa.
same topic, and then you will share in the common room also. Okay, why do you think, is that a good topic, or a, I mean, is that a good tradition or a bad tradition? Just think, critical thinking. By the time I explain, I think I don't need to explain so many things. You would have already understood most of the things, then you can start asking.
Or do you need to join the breakout rooms again?
Yes, for 3 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Just 3 minutes is just for you to see who's going to be the speaker, and what common things you have to speak. Okay, if not, it is like individual work first, so that we don't want to repeat the same thing in the whole class. Yeah? Like let's say within that 5 groups, if I say, then everyone will say the same thing if we go topic by topic. So just one topic, and just tell the main common things. So is that good one or bad one? Okay, the tradition that they are doing. This is still part of like exploring. Okay. Okay, now 1 minute left. And when your friends are presenting, please listen to them also, okay? Because all topics are needed for us. Okay, 30 seconds, and then we'll start sharing, okay? How much you have, you can just share. Because that doesn't need so much in detail, it's just for you to reflect. Okay, now group A, please share. Okay, we'll start from behind, I think. Always if we say group A, then it's like for some of them they're not listening. Okay, randomly. Yeah, if you are ready, then you can say group A.
No, sir, my internet was really slow. I didn't know what to do.
Okay, group B. We'll come to them afterwards. Please share how much you thought about your topic. Is it good or bad?
So did you say group B or group B?
Group B itself, beta. Adina's group itself. All of you, please turn on your cameras. Like some of your cameras are off. If I can't see Zanvi, Saksham, Darsana, Sonakshi, I just saw it now. Solish, I can't see. Adya, I can't see. Adrian, I can't see. If you are having problem to join the breakout room immediately because of using other devices, then just make sure main room, you're in the main room when it is short presentation, okay? When it's long.
Sorry,
Yes.
nothing, sir.
Okay, who's going to present? Adina's group B.
Oh, sir, I will present. Sir.
Okay.
So Zeza is a good tradition because it brings the Magar people together since it helps in performing very various rituals and religious activities. It helps to preserve their own culture. It also keeps together and helps in economic activities.
Okay. Very good. So you think that's a good tradition. Now group C, Sonaxi's group.
Yes, sir. I think the social tradition that we have is a good tradition. This tradition keeps peace and harmony among the village, and the villagers stay united. This tradition has been going on since a long time. The Bhatkar is responsible for maintaining unity in the community, organizing the different rituals which are related to death and birth.
Okay. So it's so easy. Most of the answers are itself in the book. Whatever question I asked, right? It just needs comprehension skill. Some of them who have good comprehension just easily find the answer quickly there. Okay, now groups D, Yazat's group and Janish. I'm not saying them to exactly speak, but I'm saying that group. Okay, group D.
It is a good tradition because it keeps people close, helps divide work, enjoy as well as bring harmony in their community.
Okay. So I hope you guys are understanding because based on what you said, it means it's a common thing that we have been also understanding. At least if you understand of your group. Now group E for Ducati. Janvi's group. Do you think that's a good tradition or bad tradition, that DQT system? You already told before, but I think you just need to tell now again. Some of your answers
Sir,
were, yeah.
I think it is a bad tradition because many suicide, murder, and killing cases have come because of that organizations, and there was also found out some drug stuff with that organization. So
Okay, so now, so that's what some of them are like. In case of DQT, it's being told to be illegal at present, right? So that's the thing. We're just trying to see what is good, what is bad. Some of the thing are good, and that's what it should continue, because it is keeping the people united. Bond is there, most of the organization, so they work together as cooperation, and they like in case of some social development is there, some economic development is there. Finally, one group A, Arab, and then we'll just wrap it up. Arab's group A.
so I can start.
Yeah, you itself, you are a Newar. Yes, Guti is there also. Yeah.
I think it's a good tradition because it brings social harmony between the people, and people can gather and grow closer to each other.
Yeah. So this is the common thing. In most of the cases, you can see the common thing is that it is going to make a strong bonding. It's like a group itself. They're forming a group. They're making an organization where they are going to help each other, and they work together. Some is helping monetarily. Some will be helping in terms of bonding. Some in terms of different social activities. They can be working together. That's why those are good tradition. That's why they have been continuing, and they're still in our book also. If not, I think it would have been already eliminated before itself. Not only in our book, it's still kept all the way till in, if you study sociology in bachelor's or master's also, still this topic will come again and again. But that means, okay. So thank you so much. So this was the activity. So based on next topic, I will keep it in there assignment. So you will reflect before you come to the class. Is that clear? So whatever is pending, you can make a picture based on that. I think it gave you a little more clear picture. It's just to make you creative. Is that clear? Make a picture relating to your topic itself, and then submit that also. If it's pending 1 or 2 days late, it's fine. If you have not understood the concept, like today you didn't submit, then okay. Thank you so much for now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Like we need to leave on time as well.